If your 2016 Ford Fiesta displays tire sensors not detected, see manual, it means the tire pressure monitoring system isn't receiving signals from one or more tire sensors. This system is crucial for safety, alerting you to low tire pressure that can cause blowouts or affect handling. This issue commonly stems from sensor battery depletion, with a lifespan of about 5 to 7 years initially, electromagnetic interference, or occasional ECU glitches. This is a direct TPMS system with battery-powered sensors in each tire valve stem sending wireless data to the car's computer. A reset can resolve the issue in 70% of cases, but hardware issues require more attention. The car's computer compares the tire pressure readings to baseline pressures. If the pressure drops below 25% of recommended levels, it will trigger a warning. To reset the TPMS on your 2016 Ford Fiesta, first key cycle the ignition off and on 3 times without starting the engine. Next, locate the TPMS reset button. This is typically on the dashboard or within the sync screen. Hold it for 5 to 10 seconds until a reset message appears. Then, drive the Fiesta at a consistent speed of 25 miles per hour for 10 to 20 minutes on a straight road. This allows the sensors to relearn their positions and transmit data to the ECU. If the error persists after this procedure, the issue likely involves a faulty sensor, corrosion, or ID mismatch, especially after tire rotations. Consider a professional diagnostic check, as sensor replacements might be necessary.